Range sum query. Subtract two prefix totals to isolate one range. Given 2, 4, 1, 3, 6. Find the sum from index 1 through index 3, including both endpoints. The selected values are 4, 1, 3. Adding them directly gives 8, so this query returns 8. Adding 4, 1, 3 works for this one query, but doing that again for every range would repeat work. The prefix total at index 3 is already 10. It contains the range we need, plus everything before it. Prefix 3 totals everything through the right boundary, 10. Prefix 0 is 2. Both totals contain the values before index 1, so subtracting cancels that shared part. 10 minus 2 leaves 8. For one range, direct addition is fine. For many ranges, it would scan the same values again and again. Prefix totals let every query reuse work already done. Read the total at the right boundary, remove the total before the left boundary, and the answer is ready in constant time. Mark the inclusive query from index 1 through index 3. We will build prefix totals before answering it. Mark indices 1 through 3. Both boundaries belong to the requested range. Range sum query comes down to 3 ideas. Mark the inclusive left and right boundaries. Take the prefix total through the right boundary. Remove the prefix before the left boundary. O of n preprocessing time and O, 1, query time. The solution sets up the state for this rule. Subtract two prefix totals to isolate one range. Mark the inclusive left and right boundaries. Take the prefix total through the right boundary. Remove the prefix before the left boundary. O of n preprocessing time and O, 1, query time.